Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Hootsuite, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you post to your social media account using Hootsuite? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to post to social media using Hootsuite anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if it's content driven, it can be time consuming to post to different accounts. And with Hootsuite, you can actually post to various accounts with one account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Hootsuite dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hootsuite, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to post to your social media account, one thing I want to let you know right off the bat is you had to have already connected those accounts. So this is assuming you've already connected your Instagram or your Facebook or whatever account you want to post to. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So once you've connected the accounts you'd like to post to from Hootsuite, there's two different ways you can do it. The first one is going to be right here on the left. You can click on this create button. It's a plus icon, or you can click on this button here on the top right, create post. Either way, it's going to take you to the same place. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to need to choose the social media account you'd like to post to. So you can click on this little arrow. Once you do that, you can go ahead and choose all of the accounts you'd like to post to. For me, I just have this one account connected, so let me choose that one. Okay, so once you've chosen, it's going to show the social media logo right here. So you can see I'm posting to Twitter, and you can go ahead and type in your post and then add an image here if you want to. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just post this little tweet. If you need help designing something, you can use the AI button right here. If you want to add images, you're going to click it right here. So once you have the post ready and you're ready to go ahead and put it on your social media, you want to look down here on the bottom right. You can save it as a draft if you need someone to review it later. You can also schedule it for later. So if you want to pre-populate these posts to schedule for 1 day in advance, 2 weeks in advance, 1 month in advance, you can do that right here. Or you can do what I'm going to do and just post it right now. Okay, it went by pretty quick, but a quick second later, the page refreshes and you're going to see a little pop-up confirming that your post has been posted to your social media directly from Hootsuite. And you can confirm that by going into your social media to see the post. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to post to your social media using Hootsuite, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.